Hi, dog. Hi, dog. Hello. Hello. Okay, bye, dog. Well, oh, she's... Let's get her started, huh? Alright, so it's pretty windy outside. This is going to be a nice short video. Someone picked up a new toy. Yeah, 1980 Camaro. Beamer's still there. Mustang. Looking fresh, kind of drives. Kind of sucks in winter though, so that's neat. It's also the middle of February. And everything's melting, so that's gross. Someone decided they wanted to pick up their dream car.
Yeah.
She picked up her 1980 Camaro. It looks fantastic. It has its flaws, that's for sure. This thing is not fully restored, but it is a direct rival for my LS Mustang over there. And from the sounds of it, this thing's gonna kill that thing, which is heartbreaking. If we gaze upon the interior, oh my god, this, wow. This thing got real wet in the last couple of weeks. First off, T-top, so that makes up for everything I'm about to show you. Seats are pretty rough. Interior is pretty rough, but it has most of the bits. Previous owner painted it, I think original color looks like white, and then they painted it neon green and blue. That's unacceptable. So the white you're seeing isn't the original color, that's a wrap. So this thing's gonna need a lot of body work. We're doing seals today somewhere over there next to the beautiful BMW. But the plan for this one, it's not to smash some glass, is LS swap, street strip car, more importantly restoration. So we had an oopsie on that corner, and then it, oh god, continued to this corner, and the oopsie was a direct result from that front bumper many times. So do not judge us. It was minus like 40 that day, and that had to go up, no, that had to go up there, and it's open diff and ball tires, so we pushed. But it needed tail lights in my defense, because there is tree growing inside of this one. Look at this, that is wildlife inside of your tail light. So that's my defense, but reality, I just blew out both of our tail lights the first day we got it. Yeah. Like within an hour of buying it. And for some reason we bought this right next to where we got this one. And they're both equally horrible when we first got them, so. Yeah, goes to show. Ford versus Chevy, hers. Who's gonna win? She is T-top, she already won, so. This door is locked. You can see more green. There's green on the tailpipe under there, and the wrap fell off over there. So all in all, she's a rough cookie, but we'll get there. The plan is to paint it this color scheme-ish, right? Yeah. And boy, does it ever need paint. The body actually looks pretty clean, but I mean, it's pretty rough to look at. This is also one of our first cars that the hood latch is here and not inside. Ooh! Probably should have brushed it off first. Oh my god, it's still going. We got a great deal on it. I don't remember how much. It was like $3 grand, and it probably has something to do with that wire is needed for it to run. We had to boost it. I think the fusible link popped, as it does on the starter. That's a 5-liter. That's not good for anything. So we could go small block Chevy or 6-liter LS.
6-liter LS.
Yeah, she wants LS, so she's faster than mine. So
yeah.
Things are coming. We're gonna do engine swaps. We're gonna do body work, a little bit of restoring all the seals and gaskets, because you know, first off, they don't exist. And then we have to get hardware. Stuff's still falling off. Yeah. And then we have to get hardware to basically piece this interior together. We have most of everything. It smells bad. Also, I think they painted your seat white. We have pretty much everything. It needs seatbelts, so these things are fresh off the Titanic, but 1980 Camaro. Restoration, resto mod, I guess. She's gonna be pretty cool. Nice rival for the Mustang, so you happy?
Yeah.
Oh god. It's gonna be some work, but this is the third project that we're unveiling for this upcoming season. We got that truck, we got our Civic, we got our Camaro. 3 new builds. Yeah. I could also show off your truck too sometime. Yeah. That's a big boy. It makes this thing look slammed, so that's pretty much it. Camaro content to come. 1980. Second gen. Yeah, I knew it. Not the split bumper. It's the facelift model, but it's looking pretty cool. Parts are finally showing up. Yeah. Catch you guys in the next one. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. Like I said, we got Camaro, lots of stuff to come. It's gonna be a lot of work. Don't know how much will happen before the snow, but if you like Camaros, LS swaps, stuff like that, street cars, street strip, stay tuned. Catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.